How to use Gemini 3.0 Pro better than 99% of people. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Gemini 3.0 Pro like a total pro. This thing just dropped and it's crazy powerful. Most people are using it all. Well, I'm going to show you the real way to use it. And by the end of this video, you'll know more about Gemini 3.0 Pro than 99% of people out there. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. So Google just dropped Gemini 3.0 Pro, and it's their most intelligent AI model ever. This is huge. It's not just another update. This is the model that puts Google back on top. It beat GPT 5.1 on the Artificial Analysis Intelligence Index. First time Google has ever had the top AI model, and most people have no idea how to use it properly. Let me tell you what makes Gemini 3.0 Pro different from every single AI tool you've been using. First off, it has state-of-the-art reasoning. That means it thinks deeper than other models. It doesn't just spit out generic answers. It actually reasons through problems step by step like a human would. This is massive for business tasks. When you're analyzing data or solving complex problems, you need an AI that can actually think, not just copy and paste information from its training data. The second thing that makes Gemini 3.0 Pro insane is its multimodal capabilities. It can handle text, images, video, audio, and code all at the same time, and it does them natively. That means it's not just stitching together different models, it's one unified model that understands everything. It scored top marks on all the major benchmarks. We're talking about a model that can look at a handwritten recipe in another language and tell you exactly what it says, or watch a full video lecture and generate interactive flashcards from it. This is next level stuff. But here's what nobody's talking about. Gemini 3.0 Pro has a 1 million token context window. Do you know what that means? It means you can feed it massive amounts of information, entire code bases, 100-page documents, hours of video content, and it will understand all of it, not just remember it, actually understand it and reason about it. This is a game changer for anyone working with large data sets or complex projects. Now, let me show you the real power move that 99% of people are missing. Gemini 3.0 Pro is the best coding model Google has ever built. It tops the Web Dev Arena leaderboard with a score of 1487. It scored 76.2% on SWE Bench Verified, which is a benchmark that tests coding agents. And here's the crazy part. It scored 56% on SciCode. That's a 10-point jump over the previous record. This thing can write scientific code that actually works. Now, if you want to dive even deeper into AI automation, I've got something special for you. I run a community called the AI Profit Boardroom, the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds with AI automation. Learn how to save time and automate your business with AI tools like Gemini 3.0 Pro. The link is in the comments and description. It's at school.com/AI Profit Lab. So how do you actually use this for your business? Let me give you a real example. Let's say you want to build a landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom that converts like crazy. Most people would just type in a basic prompt like create a landing page. That's weak. Here's what you do instead. You go to Gemini 3.0 Pro and you give it a detailed prompt with context. You tell it exactly what you want. Design a high converting landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom that showcases the value of AI automation. Include sections for benefits, social proof, and a strong call to action. Make it modern and professional with a dark theme. Use persuasive copywriting that speaks to business owners who want to save time and automate their workflows with AI. Include specific examples of how AI can grow a business. And then watch what happens. Gemini 3.0 Pro doesn't just give you generic text. It creates a full landing page with smart copy, headlines that grab attention, benefit statements that resonate with your audience, and it understands the psychology of what makes people buy. This is because of its advanced reasoning capabilities. It's not just filling in a template, it's thinking about what actually works. But wait, there's more, right? And this is where it gets really interesting. Gemini 3.0 Pro has something called Deep Think mode. This is their most advanced reasoning mode. It uses parallel reasoning to explore multiple solutions at the same time. What does that mean in plain English? It means when you give it a complex problem, it doesn't just find one answer. It considers multiple approaches, evaluates them, and gives you the best one. This is perfect for strategic planning, business analysis, complex coding problems, anything that requires deep thought. Here's how you access Deep Think mode. You need to be a Google AI Ultra subscriber. Once you have access, you select Thinking in the model dropdown, Then you click Deep Think before you submit your prompt. And here's the key, you need to give it complex problems. Don't waste Deep Think mode on simple tasks. Use it for the hard stuff, mathematical proofs, strategic business decisions, complex code refactoring, multi-step analysis that requires careful thought. Let me give you another example of how to use this in your business. Let's say you want to create a content strategy for the AI Profit Boardroom that drives traffic and signups. You could use Deep Think mode and give it a prompt like this. Analyze the current AI automation market. Identify the top pain points business owners face when trying to implement AI. Create a content strategy with 20 video topics that address these pain points. For each topic, provide a headline hook and key talking points. Ensure the content is valuable, educational, and subtly positions the AI Profit Boardroom as the solution. Include SEO keywords that will drive organic traffic. Now, here's what makes this powerful. Deep Think mode will actually analyze the market. It will think about what people are struggling with. It will create topics that are strategic and well thought out, and it will give you a complete content plan that you can execute immediately. This is the difference between using AI like everyone else and using it like a pro. But let's talk about something most people completely ignore. The 1 million token context window I mentioned earlier. This is your secret weapon. Here's how you use it. Let's say you're planning a new product launch for the AI Profit Boardroom. You can feed Gemini 3.0 Pro all your existing content, your past emails, your landing pages, your video scripts, your customer testimonials, everything. And then you ask it to analyze all of that and create a launch strategy that's consistent with your brand voice and appeals to your existing audience. Most people just give AI one piece of information and expect magic. That's not how you get great results. You give it context, you give it data, you give it examples, and then you ask specific questions. The more context you provide, the better the output. This is especially true with Gemini 3.0 Pro because it can actually handle massive amounts of information without getting confused. Now let me show you another feature that's blowing people's minds. Gemini 3.0 Pro has incredible tool use capabilities. What does that mean? It means it can use external tools and APIs to complete tasks. It can search the web, execute code, access databases all on its own. This is what makes it an agentic model. It's not just answering questions, it's taking actions. This is the future of AI, and you need to understand how to leverage this. Here's a practical example. Let's say you want to research your competitors in the AI automation space. You can ask Gemini 3.0 Pro to search for the top AI automation communities, analyze their pricing models, compare their features to the AI Profit Boardroom, identify gaps in the market, and create a competitive analysis report. And it will do all of this autonomously. It will search the web, gather the data, analyze it, and present you with actionable insights, all without you lifting a finger. This is where most people fail with AI. They think it's just a chatbot, they ask it one question and move on. But Gemini 3.0 Pro is designed for complex multi-step tasks. You can give it a big project and let it work through it systematically. This is how you save hours of manual work. This is how you scale your business with AI automation. Now let's talk about something really important, prompt engineering. This is the skill that separates the pros from the amateurs. Most people write terrible prompts. They're vague, they're generic, they don't give enough context. And then they wonder why the AI gives them mediocre results. Here's the truth. The quality of your output is directly related to the quality of your input. If you give Gemini 3.0 Pro a weak prompt, you'll get a weak result. If you give it a detailed strategic prompt, you'll get incredible results. Now, if you want to dive even deeper into AI automation, I've got something special for you. I run a community called the AI Profit Boardroom, the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds with AI automation. Learn how to save time and automate your business with AI tools like Gemini 3.0 Pro. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 40,000 members who are crushing it with AI. The link is in the comments and description. It's at school.com/AI Profit Lab.